Hi guys, it's Amanda with Crafts by Amanda, and today I'm going to show you how to make these really pretty sunflower kissing balls. For each ball you're going to need 25 sunflower heads. They measure 2 to 3 inches in width. You'll need a 9-inch round wiffle ball, preferably yellow, but you can use white. About 4 to 6 feet of white ribbon for each one. So go ahead and measure out your ribbon and then run it through a couple of the holes, tie it in a knot so that you have your hanger. And then you're going to glue one of the sunflower heads into one of the holes. And that's it. You just keep doing that. There's about 26 holes on each wiffle ball. Now, on this particular day, I was making these for my daughter's bridal shower, and the sunflower heads that I used in this video are 2 inches from petal to petal, but the ones that I use in the tutorial that are on the blog, the printable tutorial, are closer to 3 inches. Both will work. However, the 2-inch sunflower heads will leave little gaps in between the flowers, and you can see them in this video as I'm working. However, because the wiffle ball is yellow, it's not a big deal. If you're concerned about the gaps, which I was not, you can go ahead and add more sunflower heads to any of the gaps. Just keep in mind you will need more than 25 for each ball then. So that is it. They're so pretty hanging up at a bridal shower or a wedding. I hope you enjoy this post, and you can find more crafts and tutorials like this one at craftsbyamanda.com. Thanks for joining me.